So as I'm sketching my thumbnails for the graffiti project, this theme right here is art. So you can see I have a spray can. In the background I put bricks. In this R I put a bunch of drips. In the A I chose to do a pencil design, and I'm going to make them colored pencils in a rainbow. In this A, it was hard for me to figure it out, but I put a camera in here. The M, I used markers in a pattern. In the A, I put a palette with a paintbrush behind it, but I also let it go into the M, which is okay. And then in the first M, I did scissors and cutting out hearts and stars. Now, if you go to your rubric in the A column, you need at least 8 or more colors to get an A. You need to have over 7 items that describe the theme. Your letters should be as large as possible, and no smears, smudges, scribbles, or tears. So over here, let's count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I definitely have more than 7 items. Now, with the graffiti design, you also need to include outlines. So to fill up my background without actually putting a design, I can do some very purposeful outlines. And this may help you make sure your letters stand out, as well as helps you fill up that negative space so you don't have to put a background. If your letters are not big as possible, then you're going to have to put a background, and that's additional work for you. So try and make everything very large. But that is part of the graffiti aesthetic, is all the outlines. But see here, this is helpful because it's taking over some of this A that I wasn't too sure what I was going to do inside here. Now I can just do some funky outlines. It's hard to do this with one hand. Outline here. Then I'm going to try and color this, and hopefully that'll be the next video. Alright, so make sure you have at least 7 or more objects in your designs. Fill up your designs with a background, and don't forget you have to outline. Outline, outline, outline.